gorgeous people. This is Amber's DIY and other stuff. My name is Amber Meeks. Today is Thrifty Thursday, and on this video, I have for you another Shiekh haul. Guys, I ordered a ton of shoes from this company, so this is the second of 3 orders from this company. And like I said in one of my other videos, I'm going to go ahead and split the hauls into 5 or 6 pairs per video so that the videos don't get too long and I can actually enjoy the unboxing with you. So without further ado, let's see what I got this time. Okay guys, so I am a lot more organized with this shoe haul. I do have little sheets of paper letting me know how much I paid, what they claim the heel height is, and also what the actual heel height is because I did measure all of the shoes. So let's dive in. Okay, so I have this first pair right here. It comes in this box here. It says delicious shoes. Yes! I think all the shoes are quite delicious. All right, guys, let's open this up. So I have my little paper right here. Oh, they're a little dusty, but boy, are these fabulous or what? Guys, I love, love, love this heel. You guys know how I feel about the heelless shoes. They're just my all-time favorite. I just love the design of these shoes, and I find them to be extremely comfortable. So this shoe here is like a shiny, pleathery kind of material, has a nice curved heel, the open toe, and I love the T-strap detail. I just think this is a really sexy shoe. So this shoe, I paid $4.99 for. So I did have to pay shipping on this, but the total shipping for all 11 pairs that I got for the whole order was only 30 bucks. So that breaks down to less than $3 per pair. So this is still an amazing deal on this pair of shoes. I'm so super stoked. So they claimed that the heel height was 6 inches. I did measure it, and it is indeed a 6-inch heel. So that is exciting as well. I'm so happy about these shoes, guys. So the bottom of the soles, look at that, guys. Yes! Do you hear that on my nails here? Yes! We have awesome ridges, and even back here, so awesome. So whoever made the shoe, which I'm not really sure who the brand is, Delicious Shoes or whatever, but at any rate, I'm telling you what, they know how to make their shoes. This is a very well-made shoe. I'm so excited to try this on for you guys. I hope that it is as comfortable as it looks. To me anyway. Okay, let's go ahead and move on to the next pair of shoes. We'll put this pair right here. All right, so this next pair we have also in the same kind of box and also a pair of delicious shoes. How exciting. All right, well, let's see how delicious. Oh, they're like the same. Look! Woo! Okay, guys, so it's very similar to the shoe that I just showed you, but I'm not sure if the camera is going to pick this up, but it's like a suede material right here, and then it goes into this shiny, pleathery kind of a thing. It's a Mary Jane style with an open toe shoe. Super cute. Love, love, love these, guys. Again, this pair was $4.99 with less than $3 shipping. Such a stellar deal. So excited about this. And they claimed that this was a 6-inch heel, and it's actually a 5.75-inch heel, so they were a little shy on that, so they probably just rounded up and made it 6 inches, but it's actually a 5.75-inch heel. Another thing I found interesting about these is that this is vegan suede. So pretty awesome, right, guys? I love this. This is so super cute. I hope that, okay. Everything just got deflated because this, although it has ridges, it does no good for traction if they do a velvet bottom. I don't understand why they do that. So the ridges mean nothing. If the bottom is velvet, you're still going to slide. You're still going to need grippers of some sort. So I hate it when shoemakers do this. I don't understand why they do that at all. Honestly, guys, I wish I could just start my own shoe line because I would definitely make sure that the tread on all of my shoes was amazing and the styles would be very outside the box. Maybe that's what I'll do someday. We'll have to see. But this is a really cute pair of shoes. Just wish they had done a better job on the tread. And again, $4.99 and then like less than $3 shipping. Hello, pretty stellar. Okay, so we'll move those over to the side. This next pair is the Shiekh brand shoe. So let's see what pair this is. I don't remember. Oh, yes. Oh, fabulous. Look at these guys. Are you ready? I mean, are you ready? What? Guys, these are so incredibly fabulous. Okay, so obviously we have like this mirrored look going on here with the silver glitter at the top here. It's obviously just our classic wedge shoe, but what makes this shoe so awesome is how they designed it with these like little nails and all the lining. I mean, it's just a really fabulous shoe. Ooh, yes. You hear that, guys? That is a good sound. So we have the nice rubber sole on the bottom. Very excited, even on the heel part. So this is a very well-made shoe. I'm really excited to try this on. It looks extremely comfortable. It's like a Mary Jane style without the, the strap. So I paid $14.99 for this shoe, and they claimed it was a 6.5-inch heel, but it's not. I don't know where they were measuring, but I don't think it was 6.5 inches because this next pair is the same one, and I think I put on my notes. Oh, you know what? It actually was just shy. So you know what? I ended up giving it to them because it was literally just under the 6.5 inch mark. So I don't even know how you would say that it's anything but 6.5 inches. So it's pretty darn close. Ooh, pretty darn close. Beep, I have to beep that out. But nonetheless, it was pretty darn close to 6.5 inches. So that's right. I did decide that is as accurate as they could possibly get. Super excited about this shoe. Awesome deal. $14.99, and then it was a little less than $3 on shipping for these shoes. Okay, let's move on to the next pair, which is the exact same style, only guess what, guys? I'm sure you guys probably know. It's in gold. What? Shocker, right? So it's the exact same shoe in the gold style. These are the only shoes in this order that I got dupes of where it's the same shoe, just different colors. But super cute. Love it. I mean, if I see something I like, I have to get it. But you know what the difference was with this shoe versus the other shoe? Is that this one was $9.99. So it seems like more people were favoring the silver shoes, and that's why their price point was still at $14.99 and not as many people were buying the gold ones. That would be my guess. Okay, so let's keep this rolling, guys, and move on to the next pair. This is the Dollhouse brand pair of shoes. Let's open this up. Oh, guys, oh yeah, these are so cute, guys. I love these shoes. Okay, so I normally don't buy like classic wedges all often like that last pair was, but it had a nice design, as does these. Woo! Look at this, guys. Look, this is so awesome for like spring and summer. Look how pretty that is. I love the flower design on this heel. This is so, so pretty. And you know what? I don't have very many pairs of white or off-white shoes. This looks more of an off-white to me. I love how it laces up the front. It is just so cute, guys. And I think it's going to be so extremely comfortable. So the bottom, yeah, we have a nice rubber sole. It does have some funky ridges, but it does have the ridges. Totally fine with that. It's like leopard print, like my nails. So, and they even have ridges on the back part. So this is a really well-made shoe, guys. I'm super stoked about this one as well. So this one I paid $6.99 for, and because I liked it so much, it was 5.5. Normally I don't buy 5.5s, but I will venture out to 5.5 if I like the shoe enough, especially if it's an open toe, because I know I can probably make it work. You know what I mean? So they were claiming this was a 6.4 inch heel. I measured it and it's not. Not at all. I don't know where they got that at, but it's flat 6 inches. I measured this. It's a 6-inch heel, not 6.4 inches. So I'm not really sure where they picked up that measurement. But this is a really cute shoe. Awesome deal. Okay, guys, I got one more pair for you. So this pair right here. What's the brand? Paprika. Paprika. It says mypaprikashoes.com. I'm going to check that place out. I didn't even know. Awesome. So it's right there. I will check that out as soon as I'm done with this video. I'm not even lying. Okay, so this is the most basic pair of shoes, I think, that I got out of all the shoes that I got. And the reason why I got them is because it was a really stellar deal. And I feel like I can add things to these shoes to amber them up, so to speak. Okay, so here they are. Your classic Mary Jane black stiletto. Just say it. Very boring shoe, but I mean, sometimes you need boring shoes in your closet. This pair of shoes was only $3.99. I mean, come on, guys. How could I pass that up? $3.99. Come on now. Yeah, that went right in my cart. They claimed it was a 6-inch heel. I measured it. It's actually 5.75 inches. And, okay, it's got ridges, guys, but they're not the good rubber sole. This is like a plastic bottom. So these ridges really don't mean much if it's a plastic bottom, because you're still going to slide. So that kind of stinks. But overall, it's a cute, classic kind of a shoe, but it's just not, it needs amberfied. So I'll probably add something to it or do something to it. So for $3.99, I went ahead and snatched it up. Alright guys, so that's all I got for this part of the haul. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go ahead and try all the shoes on for you guys, let you know how I feel about their comfortability and, you know, how I can walk in them and all that fun stuff. And then we'll wrap this video up. Okay guys, before I get started with the try on, I just want to address this mess that you're going to see in the background on the carpet that's on my deck here. I had no idea that there was so much debris from the storm we had the day before. So when I went to film this and then I watched it back, I'm like, wow, there's a lot of stuff on the carpet here. So it's just a total mess and I apologize. And then there's that nice, you know, grill thing in the background. This is just an awesome view. So at any rate, I just wanted to address those issues before we even get started. So now let's jump into it. Okay guys, we're going to start with those heelless T-strap sandals. Wow guys, these are so incredibly comfortable and I just love the way they look. I mean, this is a sexy shoe. I just love these. Love, love, love these. And they are so incredibly comfortable. What a great buy. Okay, now we're moving on to the same style heel, but they're a Mary Jane open toe. And guys, again, love them, love them, love them. And you know what? The fact that this is vegan suede just makes these shoes even better. What a great buy. What a great shoe. I'm so excited. Okay, now we're moving on to the silver glittery heels here with like the mirrored look on the bottom. Guys, again, super comfortable shoe. I find wedges to be comfortable all of the time, no matter what, usually. So this is no different with this pair of shoes. I really like them. I think that they look great. And here's the gold pair, same style shoe. Of course, I find them comfortable, but obviously I always think that the silver looks better on me, but I always buy both colors because, you know, I just can't stop myself. So at any rate, I love the shoes. I think they look good and I definitely will get a lot of use out of them. Now we're moving on to those open toe floral print white sandals. Oh my gosh. I mean, oh my gosh. You guys, this is hands down the most comfortable pair of shoes that I've gotten from this company so far. And I think the most comfortable pair that I own. Honestly, if I was going to do a day of extreme shopping all over the place, I would pick these shoes. Okay, now we're moving on to that last pair, which was the Mary Jane style black stilettos. This is just a basic shoe, guys, and of course, I find it to be very comfortable. It's no different from the rest of the shoes. Overall, this was such a great haul. Let's go ahead and jump into final thoughts. Okay guys, so that's all I got for you in this haul. Now I will have the second part of this haul next week, and then I'm probably going to take a break from doing the chic hauls because I will have more of those coming up. But I also got shoes from eBay, Poshmark, Mercari. I got shoes from all of those places as well, so I'm going to have some hauls from them as well because some of those shoes are amazing! They're far crazier than the ones that I got in these hauls, so I really want to show those to you guys. So I'll probably take a little break from showing my chic hauls, and then I'll move into doing some of those other ones. And then when I get that last order, which I still don't have it yet, when I get that last order, of course, I will share those shoes with you guys as well. That's all I got for you guys in this video, and I'll catch you in my next one. Bye! This is Amber's DIY and other stuff. My name is Amber Meeks. Today's Thrifty Thursday, and I just don't like the angle of this camera. Is it like up too high or something? Let's play around with it. Hold on. I'm off center too. Wait, move the table over a little bit. Okay. What's up, gorgeous people? And again, I'm splitting the orders up into about 5 or 6 pairs per video. All right, try again. Guys, I ordered a ton of shoes from this company. So this is the second of 3 orders from this company. And like I said, I wanted to split all of the... Why can't I think of how I want to say this? Try it again. Okay, guys, so I am quite? I don't want to say quite. Try it again. Okay, guys, so I am a lot more organized this time. I have little sheets of paper. I have all the... And it would be nice if you could spit it out. That would be awesome. All right, try it again.